Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a TTS engine and a voice that fits your video tone. Pick Cloud API for scale, local model for privacy. Compare cost and latency. Upload or paste your script as plain text, then add simple SSML tags for pauses and emphasis so the voice sounds natural. Once done, run a 15-30 second sample and iterate on voice, pitch, or speaking rate until you like the read. Make sure to save your settings as a preset for consistent batches. You now refine how the speech flows. This is the detailed part. Add SSML breaks and emphasis, adjust prosody and speaking rate, try 0, 9, 1, 0, then 1, 1 so pacing matches visuals. Export at high-quality WAV, 48K HZ or 44. 1K HZ, and apply a quick debreath and normalization pass to maintain consistent loudness. Once done, break the script into scene-sized files and batch generate audio with clear file names so you can align clips to footage without. You finish by importing the TTS audio into your editor and placing it on a dedicated narration track, keeping peaks around -6 dB so there's headroom. Align clips with markers and trim or nudge 10-200 ms for lip or visual sync. Use short crossfades to avoid clicks. Once satisfied, export the final video and a separate high-quality audio master. If audio drifts or sounds robotic, regenerate the problematic line with adjusted prosody or add a 2080 ms timing offset to correct sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.